Hey Crest Lancers, today's topic is People First Language, because words matter. What is People First Language? It's putting the person before the disability. A disability is a medical diagnosis. You see, this isn't about being politically correct, it's about showing respect, using the golden rule, and so much more. This is able to use communications appropriately and respectfully about an individual with a disability. You don't know the golden rule is treat others as the way you want to be treated. Did you know? People with disabilities are our nation's largest minority group. 1 in 5 Americans have a disability. A person can have a disability at any stage of their life, whether it was from birth, due to an accident, being a victim of a terrible crime. They're all human beings. They're mothers, fathers, friends, neighbors, teachers, presidents. I know most of you may even know someone with a disability. Words are a powerful, powerful thing. Even though they are invisible, they are potent. When we focus on that disability, we devalue an individual. So how can we change the languages that we're using today? Here's a chart with some tips. Okay? First, do not use confined or restricted to a wheelchair. Instead, use a person who uses a wheelchair. Instead of saying they are mute or can't talk, say a person who uses a device to speak. Instead of saying that person is handicapped or disabled, say a person with a disability. And foremost, when talking about a quote-unquote normal person, that is not correct. We must use a person without a disability. You see, by changing our terminology, we will make sure we are not hurting others. It starts with you. So let's take a pledge. If you are willing to change your mindset and be a people first language person, talk to your teacher. They have this pledge ready for you to sign, to stand up, to make that change. And remember, we must be Lancers. So be a leader. Show acceptance. Never give up. Be compassionate, empathetic, and respectful. So stand up today and pledge to be people first language. And let's make our culture an inclusive culture at Crest High. You want more information about People First Language? Here are some awesome resources. And I hope to see your name on that pledge. Thank you.